Yeah.
He drunk, he not fighting. He like. Yeah, he not fighting. Only funny.
Yeah, funny. But sometimes you worry he fall
Oh,
down.
only like they don't know some guy, some customer.
Yeah.
He don't know name.
Yeah.
Where you hotel?
Yeah.
I don't remember. You can take around. Some people 1 hour, come find for hotel. I know he pay, but
Yeah,
he don't know.
Yes,
I worry about it. Where you hotel? I not remember. I don't know. You can take with me. Okay, I show you. You stay near Pattaya Beach or Sunrise Beach or Sunset. Ding ding. Sunrise. I bring to Sunrise around. No, I bring to another one from Pattaya. No, just hit rang, I take to the 7-Eleven. I
Yeah.
think you drink water first. About 2 hours also I waiting. Okay, I remember. Finish to rang.
Finish drunk.
You know where he live? From the walking stick.
Just-
Oh my God! Near 7-Eleven, Lilawadi. Oh.
So you take him for island tour?
Yeah.
Island tour?
Yes.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, guys. That he okay when he finish.
Yes,
he
yes.
drunk. He tip for me
Yeah.
1,000 baht. Because around 2 hours, come on, oh my God. You good guy.